Okay. I'm going to show you another way of organizing this information. Then you figure out what this person was thinking, private thumb, when you think you figured it out. And share with this person.
Do you understand that? So the B1 variable, she ate 3, right? Then she gave Cindy 1. Then she ate another for each 3 that.
Okay, so what do you think about this one? What's going on here, Cynthia?
This person thought in rows instead of columns, and for every row, he had 3 V's and 1 C.
Okay, so instead of, we were thinking maybe this one was columns, but this one looks more like they were thinking in rows, and did 3 V's and 1 C. Okay, yes, sir, what did you want to add to that?
Fraction way.
In a fraction way? What do you mean?
Like for every in every row there's 4 columns. I mean 4 rows.
Mm-hmm.
So then
So 4 rows, okay. Or 4, that's 4 items in a row, is that what you mean? Okay, all right, I'm understanding now, okay.
so then the 1 is given to Cindy and 3 is given to Valerie, so 1/4 is given to Cindy in each row.
For each row, 1 of the 1/4 is given to Cindy? Okay, that's possible, yeah. So Mrs. Dobson, I don't remember if I mentioned that, Mrs. Dobson teaches 4th grade, and she would like to do this problem with her 4th graders. And we were discussing which of these 2 diagrams might help present this information more clearly for a 4th grade class. So remember, private think time, and then we'll pair. Okay, so private think time, which one of these 2 do you think may be better for Mrs. Dobson to use when sharing this information with her 4th grade class? So when you think you have a decision and an explanation, give me a private thumb. And then go ahead and share with your partner when you both are ready.
Second one? I think it's the second one. Because for each 3 that Valerie eats, she gives 1 to her friend Cindy. I mean, give 1 candy to Cindy after she eats 3.
Excellent.
What's that?
How about the first one?
The first one is mixed up and confusing.
It is Jake.
I think the second one is better because
This one?
it's one basically there's $3 in a line.
Okay, so it's easier to see the 3 Valeries and the Cindy? Is that what you were saying? Okay. And let me get your name. Ashank, nice and loud.
I think that it would be also a good thing because your brain, in the first one, your brain, it's like you feel it's like very complicated to like calculate all the candies and all the things that Valerie would eat and Cindy. But in second picture, you're like it's easy to calculate.
Okay. So you think this one is a little harder to interpret? Okay. And what did you want to add, Sarab?
I think the first one would be easier because when you put it will be easier for people to understand because you can just draw the figure and then put B's in the ones Valerie eats and then C in the ones Cindy eats, so that you can go in a kind of pattern. 3 for Valerie, 1 for Cindy, and then 3 more for Valerie, 1 for Cindy, 3 more for Valerie, and 1 for Cindy.
And you see that in this one more than you see in this one, 3 for Valerie and 1 for Cindy. You don't see that in this one? You think this one's easier to see? Interesting.
Pattern that you can understand.
Okay. Okay.